then welcome back to school. Today we are going to move into a brand new unit, being cool after COVID-19. The lesson will last for 3 months. However, the learning objective that Ms. Chang posted on your Google Classroom only covers for 2 weeks. It's from September 14th to September 25th. Pay attention to the AB day schedule. If you are an A-day student, that is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, next week, Tuesday and Thursday, you will report to school. If you are a B-day student, you will report to school on B-day, Tuesday, Thursday, and next week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Remember, this week is half-day schedule all week, no matter it's face-to-face or remote learning. And next week, we will move into 4-day schedule. So this lesson, Ms. Chang would like to bring you to into a new learning, the conceptual learning, to think about. After COVID-19, have you changed? Have things changed or staying the same? Which parts of your life changed? Which parts have not? What has changed? What has not changed? Why have these changes happened to us? Are changes good or bad? All these conversations will be mostly, Ms. Chang will try to use Chinese as much as possible, but we will only focus on being cool, your life, being cool, your choice. So being cool after COVID-19, to know something about you after COVID-19, that's for this week and next week. And then we will cover your life after COVID-19. Other than to understand and to know, you also need to be able to do, number 1, you can turn in classwork in Google Classroom. Number 2, to know Chinese grading policy. Number 3, to do daily practice on world language games and mark as done. Okay, tomorrow when you are home, you need to do world language games. Earn 6 homework points on world language games. Your points count as grade. So tomorrow, Ms. Chang will post this video on the Google Classroom. You need to watch that to see how it goes, and then earn 6 homework points. I know that last week, some of you turned in your 2 points. So I found that it was very easy. So this week, starting right now, this week, we all have to do 6 points. Each point is equal to, each point equals to 1 minute. So you actually only do 6 minutes of practice tomorrow. But you also need to answer the other question. And then you are going to mark the assignments as done before due, which is 3 o'clock. When you mark your assignment as done, that action actually notify me to check your work. So even though you say, I did my 6 points, but if you do not mark your work as done on Google Classroom, then I won't be able to grade you, because if you don't turn in, how am I able to grade you? So you have to do this. So these are the part of the being successful a 21st century learner, to know all these. And then we will also talk about academic integrity, about plagiarism, also using Google Translate. And you need to review. You can greet in Chinese by read and write. And you can introduce yourself and others in Chinese. And then not this 2 weeks, but you will also describe how cool, being cool in your life, or not cool, whose life is not cool.